Hello, Adam. Thank you for joining VLM for this interview on Mr. Lee's appeal at the Military High Court. Can you tell us a bit about yourself?
Hi. I am happy to be here. I am currently L3. In the USA this means I am a third-year law student. Law school here is a graduate degree. After the third year we graduate and go on to take the bar exam. I am close to graduating.
How did you become aware of Mr. Lee's case?
Our class studied Mr. Lee's case from investigation to indictment, trial and appeal. I have been studying his case for more than 2 years now.
Have you formed a legal opinion based on your legal knowledge and the facts of his case or the trial?
Yes, in the beginning we did not realize it would morph into a real court case. We thought it would be a cross-sectional study of the investigative process in South Korea. Many of my classmates and I expected the case to be dropped or close by the prosecution. In my legal opinion, his case is a unique example of how a factually and legally weak case can lead to indictment and then to conviction.
Is it possible that a factually innocent person can be convicted at trial?
By the time you are a third year you are fully disabused of the notion that only bad people are accused of crimes, that there must be substantial evidence if the accused is taken to trial or that only guilty people are found guilty. These are myths. In reality, innocent people are accused of crimes every day, tried, and convicted of crimes they did not commit.
Do you believe his party has substantial claims for an appeal? If you were to form an opinion on the information available, what would it be?
Mr. Lee has substantial claims for a majority of the 9 indictments which led to 9 convictions. The prosecution was unable to meet the full burden of proof to show each element of the charges. This means Mr. Lee's lawyer had grounds for appeal. I am hoping that the Military High Court accepts the appeal and allows oral pleadings. My hope is both out of interest in seeing due process play out at a review level and out of educational interest. The appeal process taking place real-time can teach me and my class a lot about comparative law in South Korea.
The next question comes from the VIP community. Southern Kathleen asked, when a legal case seems to be built on public opinion, rather than law, how do lawyers manage the case?
This question is best asked to experienced lawyers. It takes years of practice and trial experience to be able to come up with strategies and change them as needed. As a third-year law student my experience is considerably limited. Based on what I have observed from case studies and my professors' legal practices, public opinion is always something that lawyers have to deal with regardless of criminal or civil law. Prosecutors have an advantage in this palace since they present the case facts to the media which can frame the news cycles. Defense then must be smarter and when possible attempt to change the news cycle.
Thank you for your time, Adam. VLM wishes you the best in completing your legal studies and passing the bar exam.
Thank you, Admin A and VLM.